My name is Cesar Ramos, a 2011 graduate of the United States Naval Academy with 13 years of active duty military service. Now, I have two important leadership roles, a reservist in the U.S. Navy and owner-operator of a ZIPS cleaners in Northern Virginia. My family has been in the dry cleaning business for decades as ZIPS owners. ZIPS knows how important it is for service members at every level to look their best, particularly when in uniform. ZIPS keeps its prices low every day and provides same-day service so that cost or time will never get in the way of looking inspection ready. We're proud to offer free cleaning of American flags all year long, and many locations provide everyday discounts to active duty military and veterans like me. To find a location near you, visit zipscleaners.com/military. We salute all who are serving and have served this Military Appreciation Month and all year long.